Alright, so if you've got static images and you want to turn them into animated videos for social media, yeah, you don't need advanced editing anymore. With Dola AI, you can animate images into full videos with motion, effects, and voice in just a few clicks. So in 2026, let's go step by step and bring your images to life. First, open Dola AI and go to the Image to Video tool. Now upload your images and arrange them in order. Choose an animation style like zoom, pan, or fade. Set how long each image stays on screen. Add transitions between images for smooth flow. You can add captions or AI voiceover for better engagement. Next, add background music that matches your video. Preview your video and adjust timing or effects if needed. Once everything is ready, export your video in HD or vertical format. So yeah, that's how to animate images into video using Dola AI in 2026. Simple images turned into full videos using AI.